Hello everyone, in today's video I have Tecno CM6 Tecno Camon 40 Pro. I'm going to show you how to remove a bypass FRP of this phone. I have forgotten my password and Google account. As you can see, this means there's a forgotten password and a Google account. Then we are going to use TSM for this video. We go to Tecno Advanced Mode and remove FRP Meta Mode. I'm going to click here. Right, we go to a phone and turn off the phone. Right away the process begins. The phone go into meta mode, as you can see. As you can see, FRP is done. Just wait for the moment. The phone do a hard reset as well. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. It's Tecno CM6 Tecno Camon 40 Pro. I'm going to fast forward here to make it short. As you can see, I'm going to choose a language. In this case, I'm going for English. In this case, my country is Mozambique. No SIM cards. I'm going to connect a Wi-Fi. I'm going to fast forward it to make it short. Mind you that we have a tool for rent. If you want a service, we do it remote. And the tool for rent available. Just contact us and you receive direct. A login and you do your job, or we do together. As you can see, don't copy. skip. As you can see, skip here. Skip. Accept. Just proceed. As you can see, that's all for today. Let's check the Android version. Let's see. Android version is Android 15. Android 15, as you can see. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you another video.